So this is week 69 quiz, and number 2 says the real numbers x, y, and z satisfy the system of equations x squared plus 20. X squared plus 27 equals to minus 8y plus 10z, and y squared plus 196 equals to 18z plus 13x, and z squared plus 119 equals to minus 3x plus 30y. Find x plus 3y plus 5z. So we look at this and we write down the equations. So x squared plus 27 equals to minus 8y plus 10z. Y squared plus 196 equals to 18z plus 13x. And z squared plus 119 equals to minus 3x plus 30y. So we can add them first because we want to. And so we get x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 27 plus 196 plus 119 equals to 10x plus 28. Oh, no, not 28. Plus 22y plus 28z. And so we can subtract all the things to the left side, get x squared minus 10x plus y squared minus 22y plus z squared minus 28z plus 27 plus 196. Well, I don't really care about this, so we can just set all of this as, let's say, A, because I'm too lazy to write it out. So then we see that this is, if we just had a plus 25 conveniently lying there, we could turn this into x minus 5 squared. And same thing with here, if we just had, a 121, we just y squared minus 11, y minus 11 squared. And same thing with the z, if we just had a 196 just like there, then also equals 0. So if we just had a 196 right there, we just could make it into that, but we don't have it except for an A. So we expand A out again. Plus 119 equals 0. But we have to subtract some things because we, like, for example, from here, we have to minus 121 because we added a 121 in, but we never, like, subtracted it. So we'll subtract it from here, 121, we can subtract the 119, we still have 2 left over, so we have minus 2, and we subtract here, so we have 25 plus 196 left. Over here, we forgot to subtract the 196, and we'll do that, and for here, we subtract the 25, and so we have that. So now all the debt is cleared, and now we just have equal 0. So because these are squares, they have to be non-negative. And they can't be negative, so that means that each of them have to be 0. So basically x minus 5 squared equals 0. Y minus 11 squared equals 0. And z minus 14 equals 0. Squared, all squared. And so this obviously means that x has to equal 5, y has to equal 11, and z has to equal 14. So, and the question's asking for x plus 3y plus 5z. So we have 5 plus 3 times 11 plus 5 times 14. This equals to 5 plus 33 plus 70. And this equals to 108. So that's our answer.